How to get more thumbs up on your videos. 1. Ask directly, but naturally. When to ask: right after delivering value, or at the end of your video. What to say. If you're enjoying this, give it a quick thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Smash that like button if this helped you out today. Bonus tip: use on-screen text or sound effects when asking, it makes the request more memorable. 2. Hook viewers early. The first 15 to 30 seconds are crucial. Start with an interesting fact, a question, or a quick preview of what they'll learn or see. Today I'm going to show you how I made this video using just my old Sony Handycam. Viewers who are hooked early are more likely to stay and like. 3. Add a like reminder during high-value moments. If you're sharing a cool tip, telling a powerful story, or revealing something surprising, ask for a like right then. If that tip helped you, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. 4. Use on-screen graphics. Include a small thumbs up icon or animated pop-up that says "like this video" around the 1-minute mark or right before your call to action. These visual cues nudge viewers without being too pushy. 5. Engage in the comments. Viewers who comment are more likely to like your video too. Ask a question at the end. What do you use to film your videos, phone or camera? Let me know below. 6. Test different styles. Try videos with different tones, formats, or topics and track the like ratio, likes per view. Over time, this tells you what your audience values most. 7. Mention likes in shorts and community posts. If you make shorts or use the community tab, ask people to check out your full video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this kind of content.